All right, third page of the notes. There's a lot of vocabulary on this one as well. So we have inference. That's the process of drawing conclusions about a population on the basis of a sample data. Sampling errors are mistakes that are made in the process of taking the sample that could lead to getting inaccurate information about the population. A sampling frame is the list of all the items in your sample. Undercoverage occurs when some group in the population are left out of the process of choosing the sample. A non-response occurs when an individual chosen cannot be contacted or refuses to participate. A response bias is incorrect survey answers by individuals that are either intentional or unintentional. So the last three examples that pertain to this last problem here are all sort of related a little bit to this. So just like we did with the previous one with example 3, we had 3 questions that followed from it. So it says example 4, each of the following is a source of error in a sample survey. Label each as a sampling error or non-sampling error and explain. So you got 2 options. It's either a sampling error, which means mistakes were made in the process, okay, taking the sample that could lead to inaccurate information, or a non-sampling error. So the telephone directory is used as a sampling frame. Well, that would be a sampling error because not everybody is listed. Not everybody has a phone number that you can use to be sort of selected from. In my household, we do not have a actual house line. So everybody has their cell phones, so we would not be listed in the phone book. All right, for B, the person cannot be contacted in 5 calls. Well, that would be a non-sampling error. This does not occur because of the way the sample was chosen, but rather was the effect of the way the survey was administered. Okay? And question 3, it says interviewers choose people walking by on the sidewalk to interview. So sampling error, it's who you interview depends on where you are. So this has to do with how you choose your sample. So if you're in a particular location, you're going to get people more inclined to be in that situation. So again, just be very careful moving forward as we do this stuff. But for right now, again,